What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you what to do if you do not find the option to reply to messages in Instagram app. So first of all, we open Instagram. If I go to my messages and click on any conversation, if I want to reply to a certain message, all I have to do is to press and hold, and I get the option to reply or react with an emoji and other options. But if you do not see this option, it's probably because you need to link your Facebook account to Instagram, and that should fix the problem. To do so, I'll just go back to my homepage. I'll click on my personal photo in the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines in the top right corner and click on settings. You should find here the account center. It should be at the bottom here, or in some accounts, because mine is a professional account, it can be on the top. But nevertheless, you click on the account center. Here I do have my Facebook account linked. But if your account isn't linked, you'll find here the option to link your account, and that should fix the issue once you do.